Tell me about this crazy ass band.
So our country funk band?
Yes.
Our country funk band is called Rusty Tractor. Well, what do you need to know about the band Rusty Tractor? I mean, it's a 5-piece high mileage band. Most of us have all been in bands since grade school, except for the newbie here. I'd been playing with Murray Kelland, our fabulous drummer, who was good friends with Ray Olson, and then I also happened to know Smokey Fennell, and next thing you know, we got a band hot enough to do some damage.
Dave gave me a little track to listen to before I'd ever really heard him play a whole lot of songs. And the very first song on there that I heard was Cowboys Blues. And listening to that song was the time that I actually knew in my mind, even though he had asked me before, that was the distinctive time that I knew I wanted to play music with Dave, because that song really tells a story.
Oh, you won't see a cowboy crying, he don't want no sympathy, though you know inside he's dying just as blue as he can be. You ask him how he's doing and he'll tell you he's okay. Even cowboys get the blues, the cowboys blues are here to stay. Even cowboys get the blues, the cowboys blues are here to stay.
The song Rusty Tractor came about because Dean had a really dumb idea that we should write a song called Rusty Tractor after we decided that Rusty Tractor would be the band name. And I thought that was a terrible, terrible idea. And then about a week later, one came to me, and it was really quite pretty. And so we worked it out and wrote this song where the Rusty Tractor is the allegory. The Rusty Tractor is the tale of a farm family that's come to the end of being, tenable on the farm. And it's a story that's repeated in many places, mines that shut down, industries that close. It's a sort of a universal story of a man who can't quite cope with the reality that he's been given.
Got a rusty tractor in my dusty barn. She hasn't moved in years, probably wouldn't start, but she served my daddy and his old man, kept this family fed and helped to break this land. But she can't pull hard enough anymore. Time passed her by, left her broken wall. Everything's changed, nothing stays the same. And sometimes, well, that's just a shame.
And one thing about that song, which I really love that song, but Dave came to me a few days later and said, I've done a song now. I thought it was a stupid idea, but we did it. And now it's your turn to write a song. I go like, Dave, come on. I can't write a song. I've never written a song in my life. And he said, you know what? Pick a moment from your life, feel from it, and write a song.
The quivering edge of your ruby red lips showed me your gentle disguise. Your casual touch gave me a sweet rush. I knew you could tell me no lies. Images of you run through my mind. Images burn in my
Oh, it's got to make people, feel something, either like getting up and dancing or, wanting to dance and cry. There's nothing better than having music that people love, at a party, at a gathering. And so that's really what we're trying to create, is something that, will move people to have a good time.
The song Wild Harley, that just gets the people up there, gets them energized, and nobody wants to sit down. It's just a lot of fun.
white on a flame, she's shining like a jewel. She's
song's going to come to an end, but you can tell they don't want to come to an end. We don't want to come to an end. We want to keep going, and it just feels really good.